Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kritika and you're watching Unstoppable Girl. This tutorial is all about this makeup look. This is the red glamorous makeup look for one of my subscriber requested me. So why not I'll fulfill that request. So keep watching if you want to know how I'll do this red makeup. If you want to know how to do a smoky eye look within 2 minutes, you can click the I button over here. And without any further ado, let's get started. So here, starting with the primer, this is from the Blue Heaven and it's a silicone based primer, and I'm always use primer before my makeup. I already moisturize my face before this, so make sure you moisturize your face too. The primer helps to blurify all the lines and gives a smooth space for our foundation to lay off, so it's must. I am applying foundation in dot motion. The foundation is from Fit Me and my shade is 310 Sun Beige. This is the color of my skin. So I'll be using this. As you can see, I am just dotting all over my face. And now with the help of the brush, this is the fluffy brush, I am blending the foundation. As you know, I don't usually use the brushes, but yeah, this is the first try I'll give it to the brush. Otherwise I'll blend it with my beauty blender, and it blends very well, so I liked it and looking forward to use in another video or for my makeup too, as this gives me the exact tone and clarifies all my blemishes and all the harsh lines and even tone my skin. Using LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade medium beige for my under eyes, as my under eyes are so dark and I have to conceal them so that it will brighten up my under eye area. And now I'm using my fingers only to blend it because the brushes won't be that much easier for me, I guess. You can use the brushes with a small head. Now I'm using a Swiss Beauty High Coverage Concealer, and this is the one of my high coverage concealer. I'll just use it on my bridge of nose, some of my eyelids and my mouth area where I find some of the creases form and darkness, and on eyelids for our base for eyeshadow, which gives a poppiness whenever we throw colors on them. So yeah, it's must for our eye base. Blending with my fingers only. You can use your brush, beauty blender, anything will work. Now I'm using Pond's powder as my loose powder. Got this hack from TikTok, like there is a makeup hack one of the girl is using, and I've tried to use that too, and I really like the outcome or the result it gives, and looking forward to use in my other makeup looks too. And I'm really looking forward with this hack. Thanks for this suggestion. And now I'm setting my face with the compact. This is the lightest shade and it gives a matte finish to my face, and I like matte faces rather than that chunky glow. I just need a subtle glow. So it really suits my skin very well. Now I'm using contour shade from the face palette by the Sugar. It's the Summit Subtle. It's the first shade only, and one of my friend recommended this, so I have bought this, and it really works very well. It don't create harsh line, and it's in a powder shade or powder feel, so it really blends very well and don't give you that harsh line. For blush, I'm using same palette, and it gives such a fleshy look to my cheeks, and I'm using little bit on my nose too. As you can see, I'm blending with the blush brush only. Going to our eyes, I'm using this red color in the corner from the Hilary Rhoda's Eye Look palette in the shade 02, and it's really good. Look at the pigmentation. I'm using the lightest red, and look at the pigmentation at the time of blending itself. I've took so little product in my brush. Now I'm using the highlighter shade for inner corner and little bit in my eyelids also, so that I can get a highlighty look, and below my lash line too. Now I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and this is the washable variant. I like washable rather than waterproof, because when not going anywhere and just filming the video, I don't need any tugging and pulling involved in waterproof mascaras, so it really works well. Now I'm using liner pen and creating a wing liner after following my original lash line. And these days I love my wing liners. It is so precise and like it's in the trend, so I loved it. You can follow me on my Instagram handle. I am posting some of the SFX over there, trying to create some. So if you are interested in that, so do follow me over there also. The handle is mentioned on the screen, or also the links are provided in my description box. So do check out that too. Now I'm taking Me On liquid lipstick in the shade Red Wine. And I'm using such a little quantity because it is so pigmented and waterproof. Now I'm using a kajal for my lower lash line and for the depth effect, as I am already having a big eye, so I don't need to fill with the white liner, but sometimes I like to use white kajal or white eyeliners too. Now with the same palette I'm using the highlighter. As you can see the instant glow on my face. And my best product in whole makeup is the highlighter only. It's such a good product which completes my full face of glam. So yeah, it's done. I hope this will be helpful for you. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.